Hey guys, Jamie here at Thor Off-Road. And although everybody comes to us for their high-speed off-road, their Carly suspension, Super Duties, and Dodge Rams, half-tons that they want to jump over the whoops, but little do you know, we also do overlanding truck. And overlanding is something that we think is really cool. And we got a really cool truck behind me. I want you to take a look at it. So we outfitted this Lexus with a Dobinsons suspension, these really cool tricked out rally wheels, set of 285/70 17 all-terrain tires, CBI front bumper, roof rack, rock sliders on the side, and out back, that really awesome, robust Expedition 1 bumper with a tire carrier. Interesting thing about this bumper, gentleman bought this bumper, took the truck and the bumper to Colorado, couldn't find anybody to put it on, brought it back to Texas for us to put it on. That just gives you an idea that we do things that other guys won't or don't, and we do custom. Thor Off-Road, we always want to find a combination of the best parts that will fit your overlanding truck, no matter what it is. But that's what we do. We want you to leave with the truck of your dreams, to be able to go out and do exactly what you want to do. And when it comes to overlanding trucks, sky's the limit, and we want to make it happen for you here at Thor Off-Road.